Welcome to this Transforming Learning Fife video on JAMF Teacher Allowed Apps.
The Allowed Apps feature lets us decide what apps are going to appear on our learner iPad screens. This is helpful if we're wanting learners just to access a couple of the apps to support their learning. Essentially, all of the other apps are hidden from their screen, and when the restriction ends, all of those apps come back. It is important to note that this feature will remove any folders that learners have created and also remove the widgets that they've added as well. Based on that information, you might decide not to make use of this feature. So to use it, tap the plus, decide how long you want this restriction to be in place for. So it could be for the full 50 minutes or it could be for a shorter amount of time. And then we have a list of all the apps that are available, and we can go through and tap the plus to decide which apps we want to just show on the learner iPad screen. So I've chosen Adobe Express there, and I also need them to have access to Keynote. So I'm going to find the Keynote app. To speed it up a bit, we can use the search as well to search for the apps because there is quite a long list there. And the last app that I'm looking for is Microsoft Teams, and then lastly Shobi. So I've chosen my apps, I've got 4 apps allowed, and I'm going to tap Apply. This will now start removing the other apps from the learner iPads. Remember, it's just hiding them. And then on the learner iPad, all they'll see now are those 4 apps that I have decided for them to use. So Adobe Express, Keynote, Teams, and Shobi. There's a timer telling me how long this restriction has left. And if I need to end this early, I can use the 3 dots, and then I can clear all limitations. And this will clear that allowed apps feature, and all of the other apps will reappear on my learner iPad. Remember, it can reorder them and it will have removed any folders or widgets that the learners have set up. So again, you need to decide if this is a feature that you want to use within JAMF.